Welcome back, fans, to another unboxing from the Spin Master Monster Jam series. And we are going to be unboxing Max D from Series 26. On the back of the card, we have the other trucks in this series, starting off with Megalodon, Big Kahuna, Gravedigger, El Toro Loco, Nightmare, Alien Invasion, Wolf's Head, and Zombie. And you can tell that True Heavy Metals, the mini-series Max D, which we are going to open up. I wasn't able to purchase this truck in Kohl's. This series was in the Kohl's store, but I wasn't able to get it, so I got it off of the Monster Jam Superstore. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Out of the package, True Heavy Metals of Max D, we got the gray wheels, the BKT lettering on the tires, and we also have orange shocks. But underneath, this is where it's at. This is pretty cool. Black chassis. The driver is black because that's all one piece. The roll cage and the motor and everything else of the truck is in a light gray, I'm going to call it, or light silver, if you want to call it that also. Not too much else to really talk about this truck. Here's the front, the side, back, up top. 12-time Monster Jam World Finals champion. I'm a Max D fan, so had to pick it up. Monster Jam logo on the back. Over here you can see that something else I got from the Monster Jam Superstore we're gonna be unboxing and taking a look at. Thank you, fans, for tuning in to this unboxing. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you like the videos I'm uploading, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below.